Hi guys, in this video we're gonna compare sounds of two different pairs of flamenco shoes. These are semi-professional artificial shoes and the with a heel made of beech. And these are extra professional artificial brand again shoes with a heel made of rosewood. So first off, this semi-professional size is 39.5 for both pairs, so no difference in size. And the heel type is classic, 5.5 centimeters approximately. These are semi-professional, which differs mainly here, and let's hear the sound of the heels just clapping them together. These in change are extra professional quality, with this part sewn by hand, and the heel is made of rosewood, which is gonna do the major difference. However, the rosewood heel has an extra fee added to it because it's much more expensive, and some shoemakers in Spain don't even work with this kind of heel because it's tricky to use in the production process. However, the sound is definitely worth it. Let's try again. Alright, so now you have it, the difference of sounds of flamenco heels types between beech versus rosewood. Now the sound is gonna be different depending on the thickness on your heel as well. But when we compare two heel types of the same height and same thickness, this is the difference of sound that you're gonna have. Maybe let's give it one more go. I'm gonna take the semi-professional ones first. So it's up to you which sound you prefer and if you're willing to pay extra for this rosewood heel or not. Thanks for watching. Bye.